Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new Roborock Saros 10R and the iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max. The Saros 10R is packed with cutting-edge technology, featuring the Starsight autonomous system for navigation, an AdaptiLift chassis to climb obstacles, and powerful 19,000 pascal suction. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo 10 Max brings iRobot's signature reliability, a dual roller vacuum system, and a unique mop lift mechanism that places the mop on top of the unit when not in use. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two robot vacuums and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. When it comes to design and build quality, both vacuums take different approaches. The Roborock Saros 10R is impressively slim at just 7.98 centimeters tall, allowing it to fit under most furniture without issues. It also ditches the LiDAR dome in favor of the Starsight autonomous system, keeping its top smooth and low profile. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo 10 Max follows iRobot's traditional circular design but lacks innovations like an extendable side brush. Its standout feature is the mop lift mechanism, which places the mop on top of the unit when transitioning from hard floors to carpets. But this design has drawbacks, as it leaves water stains on the top surface and doesn't offer the scrubbing power of modern spinning mop pads like those found on the Roborock. If you're looking for a vacuum that can slide under furniture effortlessly while maintaining strong build quality, the Roborock Saros 10R takes the lead. Navigation and obstacle avoidance are crucial in a high-end robot vacuum, and here we see major differences between the two. The Roborock Saros 10R uses the Starsight autonomous system 2.0, incorporating 3D TOF sensing to create a precise 3D view of its surroundings. This enables it to map a home quickly and navigate complex layouts efficiently. Additionally, its AI-driven object recognition helps it avoid obstacles like cables, shoes, and even pet messes with high accuracy. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo 10 Max relies on iRobot's simultaneous localization and mapping system, which uses an RGB camera and LED headlight for navigation. While it's effective, it is significantly slower than LiDAR-equipped competitors and struggles with mapping accuracy. The Roomba also has decent obstacle avoidance but lacks the same level of precision as the Roborock, occasionally bumping into furniture. Overall, the Saros 10R offers a more advanced and efficient navigation experience, making it the superior choice for complex home layouts. Vacuuming performance is a major deciding factor, and here, the Roborock Saros 10R comes out as a powerhouse. With an industry-leading 19,000 pascal suction power, it easily outperforms the Roomba Combo 10 Max, which does not disclose its suction power but appears weaker in real-world tests. The Saros 10R excels at picking up fine debris, pet hair, and dust from both carpets and hard floors, using its Duo Divide brush system to funnel dirt into the bin efficiently. The Roomba Combo 10 Max features a twin rubber roller system designed to perform well on carpets, but in practice, it struggles with pet hair and fails to deep clean rugs effectively. Additionally, the Roborock's ability to lift its roller brush prevents dirt from being dragged across clean floors, a feature missing on the Roomba. If you need a vacuum with raw suction power and strong carpet performance, the Roborock Saros 10R is the clear winner. Now let's talk about mopping performance, where both robots take very different approaches. The Roborock Saros 10R features dual spinning microfiber mop pads that actively scrub the floor to remove dirt and stains. It can lift its mops by 12 millimeters when crossing carpets or even detach them at the docking station for a full vacuum-only mode. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo 10 Max uses an outdated static mop pad that simply drags across the floor. While it does apply some pressure using the robot's weight, it lacks the deep cleaning ability of spinning mops. Additionally, iRobot's unique mop lifting mechanism, which places the mop on top of the unit when not in use, leads to water splashes on the bot surface. If you prioritize mopping performance, the Roborock Saros 10R is far more effective and versatile. Docking and maintenance also show a stark contrast between these two robots. The Roborock Saros 10R comes with the Multifunctional Dock 4.0, which includes automatic dustbin emptying, self-cleaning mop washing with 80 degrees Celsius hot water, and a drying system that prevents odors and bacteria growth. On the flip side, the Roomba Combo 10 Max's auto wash dock is aesthetically pleasing, but it falls short in performance. Its suction power struggles to empty the robot's bin effectively, often leaving debris behind. Additionally, its mop cleaning method, which involves rubbing the mop against a ribbed roller, is less effective than Roborock's heated water system. The Saros 10R's dock is more advanced, making maintenance much easier and more hygienic. When it comes to smart features and app experience, the Roborock Saros 10R again takes the lead. The Roborock app offers an intuitive interface with features like advanced mapping, customizable cleaning routines, and AI-powered dirt detection. Users can set no-go zones, adjust carpet cleaning strategies, and even enable remote viewing through the robot's camera. The Roomba Combo 10 Max's app experience is less refined. Its mapping system lacks clarity, making it harder to set up custom cleaning zones, and the interface has been reported to be buggy. While iRobot's Dirt Detective feature is an interesting concept, its effectiveness is difficult to gauge in practice. If you want the most feature-rich and user-friendly app, Roborock is the better choice. For my final verdict, if you're looking for the most advanced cleaning technology, the Roborock Saros 10R is the superior choice in almost every category. It offers better suction, more effective mopping, smarter navigation, and a more powerful docking system. While the Roomba Combo 10 Max has some redeeming qualities like its obstacle detection and attractive dock design, it falls behind in performance, mapping efficiency, and maintenance convenience. At its current price, the Roomba Combo 10 Max simply doesn't offer the value that other brands provide. If you're investing in a high-end robot vacuum, the Roborock Saros 10R is the one to go for. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons.